Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to make some sentences practically. You can see we are together in the classroom. So let's go start. এটা একটি উড়োজাহাজ।
This is an airplane.
This is an airplane. এটা একটি ষাঁড়।
This is an ox.
This is an ox. এটা একটি ছাতা।
This is an umbrella.
This is an umbrella. এটা একটি সিজার।
This is a scissor.
সিজার, ওকে। এটা একটি ক্যালকুলেটর।
This is a calculator.
This is a calculator. এটা একটি মুরগি।
This is a hen.
This is a hen. এটা একটি চাবি।
This is a key.
This is a key. এটা একটি কলা।
This is a banana.
This is a banana. এটা একটি চামচ।
This is a fork.
This is a spoon. এটা একটি ঘড়ি।
This is a watch.
This is a watch. এটা একটি গাড়ি।
This is a car.
This is a car. এটা একটি লেবু।
This is a lemon.
This is a lemon. এটা একটি মোবাইল।
This is a mobile.
This is a mobile. এটা একটি তালা।
This is a lock.
This is a lock. এটা একটি পানির পাত্র।
This is a water pump.
Thank you so much, my dear guys. You can see we are practically made some sentences. It is very beneficial for us. Thank you so much, my dear learner, everybody. Thank you.